Hi everyone, this is Hope from Hope's Loving Hands, and I am sitting here listening to a video on YouTube about selling, because if you don't know, I am an independent paparazzi consultant, and I'm crocheting. I'm working on the scarf to finish it up for my son. I finished the blanket and I forgot to do a video. I already packed it. I'm not taking it out. I'll show y'all pictures, but right now I am just working on this
now the first question is
scarf for my son, and then I'm going to work on this hat that I had started before I got this blanket order. So
a question at the end of a sentence.
I just wanted to reach out to you to let y'all know that I'm still here. I didn't forget. It's just that I got caught up with that blanket and was driving me crazy. Plus I'm still trying to finish I'm still trying to finish my
They're kind of fun, aren't they?
what am I trying to finish?
You can make this a
I was still trying to finish the blanket, because I wanted to get it over with. You know how you just do something and it just just the repetitiveness of it drives you crazy. I was tired of doing it. Like, I really was tired of doing it. I wanted to do something else. So thank God I'm almost done with this scarf. My son's favorite color is green, and so I am making it in green for him. He does have a black coat, so it will go with his black wool coat. And
so that's the tie down.
I'm sitting here listening to this video to help me with my paparazzi business, and of course Love and Hip Hop is on. Y'all know I gotta watch my ratchetness. So I shall talk to y'all all later. Please let me know what's on your hook, and I need some days. Somebody tell me a day. What day would you like to start the crochet along? I did make a couple of them. Let me show you. So I have in the beige. I have one in soft pink. I have one in black. I have one in this pretty rainbow
with two answers. Either answer they choose,
and one in like a mustard,
leading towards the major decision. So you're always trying to give them two questions. Two questions, you say.
I'm looking horrible. I'm laying in my bed, but I want to bring this video to y'all. I'm laying here in my bed, in my house dress, but I want to bring this video to you. My hair. I washed my hair, so it's like all over my head. Oh, let me see if I'm even going to show y'all this video. I'll talk to y'all all later. Love you all. Bye.